Okay guys, welcome back to Properties of Integrals, or actually Definite Integrals Part 2. You should have already finished up your Properties of Integrals worksheet. So I'm going to real quickly go through the answers here, and if you have any questions, ask a neighbor for some clarification, or you can always ask me in tutorials later on today or tomorrow. Okay, so number 1, for Part A, our answers are 4, 7/3, and -1/3. Down here we've got 23, 13, and oh, there, I'm pretty sure this was nowhere to be found in our notes, therefore it does not exist. It's not a property. So this is no such property. There is no multiplication or product rule for integrals. Doesn't exist, not a thing. -6, 16, again we've got something that looks a little strange. This looks like a quotient. There is no such property. Not a thing, doesn't exist. This last one, you can add them all together and you get 12. Decide whether this statement is true or false. This statement is true. If for any choice of real numbers a and b, then f of x equals 0 for all x and r. This is true because if no matter what, if I pick random numbers the whole time and I always get 0 for my integral, the only way for that to happen is that a and b are 0 every single time. So this statement is true. Number 4, let f be a continuous function on the interval from -5 to 10. G of x equals f of x plus 2. If this is true, then what is g of u du? It doesn't really matter what variable you use. I'm sure you guys are probably like, what? There's x's, there's an x here and here, but now we got t's and then u's. Doesn't really matter. The property is all the same. We're going to work this as from -5 to 10, f of u plus 2 du is equal to the integral from -5 to 10 of f of u du plus the integral from -5 to 10 of 2 du. So you're going to get 4 plus 30, which is 34. Okay, so that's your Properties of Integrals worksheet. Again, this is going to go inside your notes with everything else. So if you want to, you can tape it in real quick, push pause, whatever.